Okay, not this glueless wig really melting into my scalp like this. Get into it, y'all.
Gotta do what I gotta do. Said it's all brand new. I cannot stop. Gotta do what I gotta do.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everything I use today will be linked down in the description box below. Now let's go ahead and get into this wig. This is Ashimary Hair's 13x6 Burmese curl pull and go glueless wig in 24 inches. It's 180 density with transparent lace. This is the wig straight out the box. The lace is already pre-cut, pre-plucked, and even though it's not bleached, it still blends real nice once makeup is added. Also came with an adjustable drawstring in the back, combs for extra security, and these little air tap glueless tapes that Ashimary applies for you. Just putting on a wig like normal, just to show y'all how the lace looks before anything is secure. And look at that, even without the tape stuck down yet, the lace is already doing this big one. I lift the lace up, I pull it back down, and it still looks like scalp. And at this moment, this is when I knew this install was about to be real easy. So these tapes on the side, that's their pull and go method. No glue, no spray. You literally just stick it down and go. Ashimary actually included extra tapes in the box, which I love because this wig is reusable. Once the original tapes get old, you just peel them off and replace them. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, the original blue side up tape they applied was so hard for me to peel off. Every time I tried to lift it, the entire tape would just come right off the lace instead of the backing just peeling off. So I just removed the whole tape strip and used the extra ones they sent. I flipped the new tape so the white side was up, and this made the back so much easier to peel. I just bent the tape a little and it lifted right away. Once that was on, I used my rat tail comb to press the lace, and just like that, it was secure. I did the same exact thing on both sides so the entire wig could sit flat and was really actually melted. And I love how this wig comes with these gorgeous spiral curls already formed, so you really don't have to do much besides separate them and then fluff. I did section out a little bit of baby hair, curled it, cut it, then swooped it using my Shine and Jam Mousse. Then I also ran the same mousse across the entire lace. This, in my opinion, helps with any ashiness and really gives that extra melt. After that, I put on my wig band and let everything dry. Once it was set, I gently combed out the edges to get that fluffy, soft baby hair look instead of the crunchy edge control look. Now let's go ahead and talk about these curls. The hair out the box was cute, but once you wet it, the curls really eat. I sprayed it with plain water, no leave-in, no mousse, and I used my denim brush to define the curls. And y'all, look at this pattern when it's wet. The curls get together. The curls just get longer, juicier, and more defined. this is how the hair look once it dries. Fluffy, voluminous, super full, and the curls still hold their shape. The wig also came pre-layered, which I love and didn't realize until after I wet it down. It gives the hair movement and shape without me even having to cut anything, so even better, even quicker install. I also flipped it side to side so y'all could see how versatile it was. You can wear it in the middle part, you can wear it side part, flip over, it all works. I'm showing y'all the back, the front, the sides. Baby, she's giving. She's curly, she's soft, and she is everything. If you're looking for a cute, quick, truly glueless curly wig, because a lot of companies out here be saying it was just glueless and they don't be. But this Ashimary Pull and Go unit is definitely that girl. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and if you have any questions, drop them down below. Everything will be linked in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.